got a filler that needs to go in between the pantry and the wall, but the distance from there to the cabinet is different from the distance from the wall to the cabinet at the bottom. So what I do is I get both measurements there, and sometimes I'll even check in between, and then I'll go transfer those onto my filler. I've transferred the measurements onto my filler here, and here I'm going to stop this taper right about here, and then from here on it'll be consistent. So what I want to do is rip the taper first and then set the fence to that consistent measurement. Got the fence set to my consistent measurement. We'll just continue this cut from here. So I ripped the filler, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the opening to see if it fits. Putting it up here. Looks pretty good to me. The best way I've found to get these installed is to use a nail gun, just to hold it where you need it. And then you can let go, pre-drill, and screw. As you can see, that worked out pretty nicely, I'd say. Next, I'm going to install these shelves. But first, I have to pull out these pins that the factory left in there, and sometimes they're really hard to get out with just my fingers, I guess, because I'm old now. But so what I do is I'll grab my pliers, my Kleins. Anybody else out there big fan of Kleins? And I just